Samsung continues to refine its One UI ecosystem with the launch of One UI 8, following the major overhaul introduced in One UI 7. This latest update enhances existing features rather than overhauling them, ensuring Galaxy users enjoy a more polished experience across their devices. One UI 8, what's new and why it matters? Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation with its One UI updates, and One UI 8 is no exception. This version prioritizes usability, refining features that users rely on daily, from security improvements to enhanced productivity tools. One UI 8 introduces several meaningful updates, including Rocket improved quick share faster, smoother file transfers across Galaxy devices. Open File Folder Smarter My Files app, helping users locate downloads with greater efficiency. Calendar enhanced reminder and calendar apps, easier scheduling with templates and holiday settings. Person running Samsung Health Innovations, group running features and meal reminder enhancements. Camera with flash, upgraded camera gestures, more intuitive controls for effortless photography. Locked privacy and security tools, strengthen secure folder protection and accessibility upgrades. Samsung One UI 8 beta and official release timeline. In May 2025, Samsung kickstarted the One UI 8 beta program for the Galaxy S25 series, enabling users to test upcoming features ahead of the official release. This beta version allows users to preview refinements before the final rollout. Excitingly, Samsung has confirmed that the stable One UI 8 version will debut with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, setting the stage for a premium foldable experience enhanced by software advancements. Galaxy A series, who's getting One UI 8? Following flagship models, Samsung's Galaxy A series remains among its most popular smartphone lineups. With One UI 8, A series users will enjoy an optimized interface, performance improvements, and new capabilities designed to elevate their daily phone usage. Here's the official list of Galaxy A series devices set to receive the One UI 8 update. White heavy checkmark Galaxy A56, Galaxy A55, Galaxy A54, Galaxy A53, Galaxy A36, Galaxy A35, Galaxy A34, Galaxy A33, Galaxy A26, Galaxy A25, Galaxy A24, Galaxy A73, Galaxy A16, 4G and 5G, Galaxy A15, 4G and 5G, Galaxy A06. Samsung has based this eligibility list on its update policies and device upgrade cycles. If your Galaxy A model isn't included, it means it won't be getting One UI 8. However, if you're eager to try Samsung's latest innovations, consider upgrading to a newer Galaxy A series model. Why upgrade to One UI 8? One UI 8 isn't just another routine update, it refines the Samsung user experience, ensuring better performance, security, and customization. If you own an eligible Galaxy device, upgrading to One UI 8 means smoother multitasking with Samsung DeX enhancements, improved AI-powered battery optimization, more responsive app transitions and gestures, strengthened privacy protections. Samsung's latest interface proves that software matters as much as hardware, giving users the best possible experience on Galaxy devices.